Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study stale order and recovery in FIX protocol. What is a stale order? So do we have a stale order in FIX? We know only stale food, but yeah, stale order is in FIX protocol also. So what is a stale order? A stale order occurs when the client's view of an order is not in sync with the broker or exchange. It means that the order status in client system is outdated. For example, client thinks order as new, but broker has already marked it filled. It happens due to missed fixed execution reports, sequence gaps, or session recovery failures. Let's see what are causes of stale orders. There might be a network or connectivity issues, that is execution report not received by the client, or another reason can be sequence number gaps, fixed messages missed during session, or session logout or reset, order status lost during recovery, or cancel or replace ACK not received. Client assumes order is still open. Or the last reason is delayed response from broker leading to mismatch. Let's see fixed example of a stale order. A client submits an order but loses synchronization with the broker. So step 1, client sends a new order 35 equal to D, new order single with all these details, client order ID symbol, the quantity, limit, and with price. So what is our step 2? Broker accepts order. 35 normal, 35 equal to 8 execution report is sent by the broker with the same client order ID and the execution ID with this execution report 150 equal to 0 and status as 39 equal to 0. So at the step 3, order gets filled at the exchange with 35 equal to 8, 150 equal to 2 and 39 equal to 2, which indicates that the order is filled. So what goes wrong here? Due to network issue, the client misses step 3. Client system still shows order 123 is equal to new, that is open. In reality, the order is already filled. Now the client's copy is called as stale. So we will see how to handle stale orders. We can send a resend request, that is message type is equal to 2, which helps to recover missing messages when sequence gap is detected. We can try for order mass status request, that is message type is equal to AF. It retrieves live status of all working orders. So what is 35 equal to AF? This represents the order mass status request. It is used by a client, that is either a buy side or a broker, to request status of multiple orders in bulk rather than querying each order individually. The response is typically an order mass status response. That is, in response we get as 35 is equal to AO with all the status of the orders. Or we can do cancel request plus query. If cancel is not acknowledged, query order state. Or we can do regular reconciliation, that is compare client versus broker order books. Or what are the session best practices? Proper session reset and recovery. What are the real world example of stale order risk? Client believes that the order is still active. It sends a cancel request. Broker replies order is already filled. So this indicates that the cancel request was for a stale order. Without reconciliation, client may try to cancel a filled order, place duplicate orders, or miscalculate exposure. So finally, a stale order in FIX protocol is an order in the client's book that is not in sync with the broker's real status due to missed or miscommunicated FIX messages. This is usually detected and corrected via resend request or mass status requests. Thank you for watching.